Oh, nice. Oh, we doubled up, dude. Doubled up. Come here, dude. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here with my buddy Sean from Fishing Fanatics. We're at a new pond for him. This is a pond I hadn't been to actually in a few months. It's produced pretty decent for me in the past, so we're gonna see how well it works. So y'all stay tuned. We may do a little pond hopping, but ultimately my goal today is to get on one topwater bite and try a couple other baits. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so today I'm starting out with a Topwater Frog. This is going to be the all-new Mach frog. Now this is it's white, clear body. Water's pretty clear, so I kind of wanted to give this a shot and see how well it works. I haven't done anything with this. The only thing I've done is cut the skirt. Always cut the skirt because to me it just gives better action. My buddy's on another frog as well, so we're going to see if we can't get on a good topwater bite. So when I come to a pond, I like to start at the bank first. So I like to run parallel with the bank. Top water for sure. Now the fish, the bass are kind of in a weird transition right now. But I feel once they get on that top water bite, we should be good to go. The key is to always fish in front of you. So if I want to come fish over on this side, cast my bait up there and fish that way first before I walk up to there and spook any fish that might be on the bank. Okay, so we got the all new Mach baits. This is the Mach stick. We're gonna go ahead and throw a Wacky Rig. All right, so what we have is that the new Mach stick. We're gonna go and put it on a Wacky Rig. Unfortunately, all I have weighted Wacky hooks, but we're gonna roll with it. Now it's got that little notch, the little nub to let you know where to put the hook, so it sets perfect and it's balanced. So let's give it a shot. Typically Wacky Rig is does pretty good in this pond, but I wanted to try some of the lures out first before I commit it to this. Oh, nice. Let's catch him on. Oh, we doubled up, dude. Doubled up. Come here, dude. All right, guys, let's try to get this out. So we doubled up. I caught mine on a Wacky Rig. What'd you get yours on?
Texas rig, black and blue craw.
There you go. That's actually a Strike King Rage Call right there.
Yep.
So putting in the work finally paid off. Let's go. Fish bump. Boom. Here's what we're doing. Two different setups. I'm using the Wacky Rig, like I said. Sean's using a Texas rig. Yep. He's going with the black and blue. I'm going the watermelon, and finally caught something. So we're gonna see if we can put together a pattern. Y'all stay tuned. That's cool, dude. We doubled up, man. Oh, there you go. There you go. Black and blue, dude. Oh, okay.
It's the combo.
Oh, yeah. You touched it. It's all right. That's awesome, dude. So I think what they're liking is more of a natural presentation. I caught mine just not doing anything, just letting them take it. So what I have here, I'm gonna give it a shot. It's going to be a Strike King Caffeine Shad. I'm gonna put this on there, see if this will work.
It went freaking bullshit. That's what put them on the map. Oh, I always forget.
Well, I was supposed to bring my I got my tripod. I don't have the attachment for it. Oh, got one. Yep.
That's a chunkier one, for sure.
stop, dude.
You got him on a fluke?
Yeah. Well, I say, oh my God, Caffeine Shad. But literally, I didn't hook or nothing. I didn't hook set or nothing. I was talking to you, and he came and just smoked it. Nice. But it wasn't a hard hit though. It was in his mouth, but it's a bigger size though. Yeah, it is. So we got a pattern now. Slow and smooth. Yep. There we go, right there. Bigger one of the morning, but we got it now. So what does that make us now? 5?
5 total. Yeah.
Nice. Now we got a bag. Got one. I got one. Oh, got one. And I'm sitting there looking at your video to my video, see if I got your hook set. I got you in there, dude. Oh, he took my worm that time though. Guys, just so you know, all my combos I'm using, of course, the Lews Mach combos, I'll link them down below in the description. Head over to MachNation and go get you some today. Yeah, you got that one. See if you can get it better. Okay. You ever do the drop shot a whole lot?
No, not at all.
If you're gonna set something.
No. Smack in the face.
Come on.
I knew that was too much, man. I was like, no way. There was no way.
Oh, man.
I was watching my line, man.
I figured you
was watching my
would.
line and it was like, bang. I was like, no. That would have been a heck of a thump.
Oh, man, I had him.
That's what you get.
I tried.
Oh, I messed up. What do you think? Well, I got hit and I looked at you first.
No one's safe here. Oh, man.
Well, that's a proof that I did get a hit. I felt the tug and I looked back at you and realized you were 3-4 feet away from me. I was like, oh, it was a hit. But then it was too late.
Oh, man. Well, after you said that, I got it too. See what's going on over here. I saw something jump out of the water, so take a little gander over here. I don't want to spook him, so. Oh, no. That's not what I wanted to happen. That's not what I wanted to happen. Good Lord. I made an epic mistake. Okay. Crisis averted. That could have been bad. He's about to bite my bait anyway, so I'll reel it in real quick. Oh, there you go.
That's actually a decent one, dude.
There you go. What are you throwing?
It's a worm.
Oh.
It's a stick bait.
Yeah, that's what I needed.
But I'm going to show you. It's got some good action on the bottom.
That's not bad.
That's pretty good.
Look at that. That's number 3 for him, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna add a little thump gel. You can see that. I'm gonna add a little bit to my bait. Just gonna add to the tip of it. Put it on. Thump gel right there. I'll link their website down below. Here we go. Check this out. This is how good this stuff works. There we go. Oh my gosh. All right, I got hit on it. I'm fix my worm now. All right, second cast in. Here, get ready. Got one peck at it right there. Watch my rod tip, guys. Watch my rod tip. Oh my gosh.
I saw that.
I know. Oh, look. Took my worm. All right, y'all know the thumb joe's working. Let's see what else I have here. You know what? I get good luck on this color. Morning Dawn, Dream Shot. Look at this. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Got him. Got him. There we go. Drop shot for the win. There we go. Oh, I saw my bait flying out there. Hey, stop, dude. Huh? Drop shot. Dude, this guy's chunkier. Got some beef to him. Oh, teeny whoa, golly. No, sorry. I knew that one no fish, but I'm like, something's attacking me from behind.
I had to take the opportunity.
Well, the water's getting dirtier as the wind's picking up.
Yeah.
I feel like, okay, he hit it good, dude. That's number 4. Come on. I got him. He was running with me. Oh, wait a minute. Did I got him or did I foul hook him? Oh, dude, check that out. That was a bluegill. Look at that right there. Oh my gosh, look how I have him hooked too. Check this out. Dude, that's a good sized bluegill, man. If they're this big, then you know they're eating pretty good. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. We what's 2 ponds? Second pond, I didn't catch anything. Sean caught a few good, or two bass. 2 bass here. We've had several bites here, but it is getting closer to the middle of the day. It's getting hot, so bass start going deeper. First pond did pretty good. We didn't catch on the rhythm or the pattern until later on, but we caught a decent bag. So y'all go like Sean Fishing Fanatics. I'll leave his link, his page down below. Hit the like button on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Do me a favor and share it. Until next time on the water, tight lines.